How to change your email on Booking.com hotel app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your email address on the Booking.com hotel app. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Booking.com application on your mobile device. You can do so by going to Play Store or App Store according to your device. Now once installed, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Launch the application and you will be taken to a home page where you need to click on My Account option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and then go to Personal Details option, that is under the Manage Account section. Simply tap on it. Under the Contact Details, you will see the email address section. Tap on it. As you can see that my email address is verified for my account, and in the case if you want to change or add a new email address, you can just simply go ahead and enter a new email address in this box and then click on Save. Booking.com will send a verification link to your new email address. You have to go ahead, open your Gmail, and then check your inbox and confirm the email. And then you will successfully add a new email address in Booking.com. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can change your email on Booking.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.